I just got a new Tynker crate again. This one is a Trebuchet. It's like the catapult thingy. I don't know if you can see it, although show you. Look. Trebuchet. I'm gonna go grab some scissors for this. I have to open it. Hold on. Alright, so this one I'm actually really excited about. I'm hoping this will be a good one. I'm really hoping this works because last time I don't know if you saw, but it was Tynker Crate 4. It didn't. Ooh. Oh yeah. Whoa! It's this thing. Oh, this is okay. Okay, let's do this. So I got this. We got a Tinkerzine. We got whatever this is. We got string. Oh god. We got, I don't know what that is. We got some rods. Got a bunch of bases. And then we got the ball. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright, let's just jump right into it. Alright guys, I have finally finished it. I am so stoked on this. So, I figured out how to do it, so here's my thing. I filled it with Jenga blocks. So, you go like this. Oh god. And you go like, come on. It's not working. Hold on. I gotta troubleshoot this. So it goes like this. And then it goes like this. Come on. Come on, hurry up. So, here's the ball. And you put it like this. And then there's a firing pin, which you put through. No. You put through. Honestly, I screwed up. Oh, damn, I screwed up. Ah, oh, come on. Is it supposed to be like this? I think it's... Hurry up. Oh, come on. So it's like this. Whenever you're ready, you're supposed to pull this out. That didn't work. Hold on. Oh shoot. Troubleshooting issues. Alright. Goodbye for now. Let's try this again. Alright, apparently I didn't follow the instructions correctly. You're supposed to hook this string to here, but since I'm an idiot, I didn't see that, so let's try this. Nope, let's try this again. Okay. Alright, so I think I got it. I think I got it. So Alright guys, I asked my dad to help me with this, and it turns out I was like completely wrong on everything. I just needed to change a few things, but it's actually really, really cool. So you pull this, and this flings up like this because of this weight, and the ball goes flying that way. So let's try this. 3, 2, 1, go. Right here. I'll turn it on. Right here. It was right here. It was from here. Ooh, my quality isn't doing so well. So it went from here to there. That's a long way. So let's try that again. Pick this up. And then we would go. Okay. And we would go. And then we go like this. Boom. And then boom. So yeah, it shoots really far. So let's try this again. Oh, that went extra far. So it's from here. Yeah, that goes pretty far. That shoots really far. So, yeah. So, that was basically it. So, if you like the video, be sure to smash the like button, comment all the stuff you want. So if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, comment down below if you want more Tynker crates. And yeah, that's it. Bye.